Weather holds us back again. Heavy rain and thunderstorms and lots of wind. So today at the moment it's alright, but the forecast for the next 12 hours is more rain and wind, so some storm coming from Vietnam. So I've just got to sit back and wait a wee bit longer. We can't do the electrics, so that's the problem. We're trying to connect to the outside, but the electricians are not working in the rain. So just got to wait. Okie doke. That's a wee update in the house. That's Monday. Soon be what's this? October. No longer October now. A few more days and that's it. But you can see everything's overgrown just for the heavy rain. This land here we've got for sale for one rye plots for 250,000. But at the moment, we need to get the tractors in to clean it. That's the next job. Okie doke. This cat will do something else today. Don't know what to do, but I'll do something.